Hi, now this video is more of a video that pays respect and homage to a simple item that's in almost every photographer's kit bag, especially when starting out. It is also one of the first things people buy for their action camera, especially when they're going near bodies of water or going on a boat or a ship. They buy this particular product. The prices of this product vary anywhere from off eBay for £1 all the way that you could pay up to £15 for the same product. Almost every manufacturer who makes selfie sticks have got one of these that they've made. Throughout the years of this particular product, it has evolutionized, I hope I got that one right, in its appearance, just by adding rubber to it. And some people have actually, or some companies have actually allowed you to put things within side of it. So the product that has in everybody's kit bag or started out is the yellow bobber. Now this is such a simple design. It's basically a yellow plastic bobber really, which is no more than about 5 inches in length from top to bottom. It all has a diameter of anywhere from 1 inch up to 1 3/4 inches. It depends on the manufacturer. And as I said, in its evolutionary design over the years, some manufacturers have placed rubber right round it, and also some manufacturers have made it possible that you can unscrew the bottom and you can place items within inside there. And some manufacturers have gone the whole hog and provided you with rubber. You can screw the bottom off and also provide you with a 1/4 inch screw thread on the bottom, so you can actually put this on mini tripod legs or on a tripod. The generic thing about the yellow bobber is its shape, its color, and also every yellow bobber that I've come across has always got a blue lanyard, and it's always this flat nylon lanyard with an adjustable clip on there. One of the first things that most people do buy, especially when they're going near bodies of water, they do buy this because it is one of the cheapest things to buy. Also, being that it's yellow, it is highly visible in water. On Amazon, when you order a kit, a action camera kit from Amazon, whether it's a 20-piece kit, a 40-piece kit, or even a 60-piece kit, you are guaranteed to get one of these in there. Now, these bobbers are so common that even when people are reselling these bobbers, they almost sell back to the price of what they paid for. Now, not every camera kit, unless it's a very expensive camera kit from a very well-known company, such like Manfrotto or even GoPro themselves, is going to make, when you're selling it second-hand, is going to make almost back its money. But the yellow bobber seems to be one of those items that even when you look and scroll through eBay, people are selling these, and even with the postage, it's almost the same price as when you bought new. And they do get sold because it's a simple design, as what I said, what I stated. And also, even kids can have this and use this with their action cameras, no matter how much they paid for an action camera, whether it's an expensive camera such as a GoPro or middle of the range budget cameras such as SJ cams, etc. Now, even though the yellow bobber is simple in its design, there is a couple of negatives with this. And the first negative that you can see straight away is that there's no grip, and that's why it says that some manufacturers have evolutionary designed, I think that's the word, the bobber by placing rubber right around the main body of it, so you get some grip. Also, like I stated, some people, some companies, not people, companies have also allowed the bottom to be screwed so you can place items in there. Now when it comes down to the plastics, several companies have made the bobber in a certain way, which I've noticed over doing these videos. There's two types. This one is happened to be an injected mold, so it's all in one plastic. This is from Shoot, so it's all in one injected molding. Only the bottom is separated here, so that's another molding here for the bottom, and it's basically glued together. Now some companies, what they tend to do is do two halves and then glue the two halves together. In my opinion, I would say that the yellow bobber is the Model T Ford of floating hand grips, because I have to say this started off the floating hand grip. Now next time when you are on eBay or Amazon and you are looking for a floaty hand grip, don't pass by the yellow bobber. It may look simple in its design and it is cheap, but I hold respect for this item because this is one of my first ever items I ever bought for my action camera, but just didn't review at the time because I didn't have a channel then. And I have to say, mine lasted me for a couple of years before I sold it on eBay, and I almost made back the money that I bought for it, even though I bought it off eBay. So don't overlook the yellow bobber or floaty hand grip. It's very suitable for adults and very, very suitable for children. So the floaty yellow hand grip or bobber, something that started off the floaty hand grip. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail on the item or the product, so when you get it, you know what to expect. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the channel. I'll be grateful for that, and I'll see you next time.